Before I get started, guys, be sure to leave a like down below. I really would appreciate it. All right, guys, been a minute. I was just at work today and I was thinking, I'm like, you know, it'd be a cool video to make. Got the SI right here, looking pretty clean. Haven't really been driving it much since my trip back from Maryland. I had ordered the rear wheel bearings, so those should be coming in sometime this week. I'll be doing those most likely Saturday, but today's video is gonna be pretty interesting. So in today's video, we are going to be seeing if the cold air intake actually works. I get a lot of questions on my cold air intake setup. I'm running the 3-inch InGen cold air intake, so the pipe basically goes down under the battery, and my air filter is literally right here. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna take the bumper off so I can get the absolute coldest air possible to this filter into my manifold. And I say, does a cold air intake actually work? I'm not referring to if it makes horsepower or torque, guys. We know with a proper tune, even stock, sometimes they can make horsepower over the stock intake box. This is more of a test on if the cold air intake will actually pull the same temperature air from the outside of the vehicle to the intake manifold. All right, so right now the temperature is 46 degrees. So the initial goal in today's video is to see if this cold air intake will pull in the same ambient outside temperature into the engine itself. So that's the test. We want 46 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, the bumper is off, dude. Look at how shot that emblem is. I have new emblems, guys, too, by the way, but here is the intake. Got my lovely filter wares on there. So, I mean, aside from having slight restriction from this, I mean, I think that this will be pretty accurate. The main goal today is to see how much the outside temperature differentiates from the temperature that the cold air is pulling. I'm gonna plug this in right here to my OBD port. Let's do this. This is gonna be the same basically for any Honda that has Honda, probably K-Tuner, wherever you can monitor your intake air temps, IATs, that's what I was trying to get at. So I got Honda mobile here because my Honda is Bluetooth. If I flip it sideways, go to display, intake air temperature right there. So that's at 50 degrees right now. I'm gonna see how much it differentiates while we're moving. 47 degrees, 51 degrees. I'm gonna do a little screen recording for you guys on my phone right now. See if I can match the same temperature. Right, you already know the deal. About to fuel up. $10, gang. It's getting expensive. I'm gonna have to park this car for a while. The gas keeps going up, straight up. $10. Dude, is this thing holding up still? Yo, I'm gonna attempt to try to go wash this thing right now. I'm probably gonna have to just put like a bag over it, or if this thing does its job like intended on, then it should repel the water. But I'm gonna attempt to try to wash this thing like this because it is absolutely shot right now. Dude, she's running good, man. Literally like a 1 or 2 degree difference, guys. You saw it drop to 48. Right now it's at 51, but you saw it drop to 48, and now the temperature is 46. So literally it's almost the same exact temperature that I'm pulling in through the whole cold air into the engine and through my manifold. So it just goes to show why cold airs are effective, you know, compared to short rams. And I've had short rams before, but it's like there's so much heat in the back of the engine bay that like even when you're driving, the temperature is still like 20 or 30 degrees over the outside temperature with a short ramp. Engine is fully warmed up, guys. 45 degrees. And I have 48 degrees. We got a 46. 46 and 45, guys. Hey, that works for me. I'm no engineer or anything like that or tuner, but all I know is that the ambient temp outside is making its way basically all the way up my cold air through my manifold into my engine, giving me the power. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, drop all your comments down below, and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content. So I got wheel bearings coming. I'll be doing a do-it-yourself video for that, as well as my coilover install and my vtec spool valve do-it-yourself video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. So drop your input and opinion down below on cold air intakes.
All in when I show up. Whole place about to blow up.